Local news for Tuesday the 24th of July. Draft documents for the Te Kaurau Upper Romahanga Floodplain Management Plan are now out for public feedback. Feedback on the plan is being eagerly sought by the Greater Wellington Regional Council's Te Kaurau Upper Romahanga Floodplain Management Subcommittee, which will consider the community's views on how to best manage flood and erosion risks and protect and enhance the natural and cultural values of the catchment. Wairarapa residents insured with state or AMI may notice some changes as premiums take greater account of risks such as earthquakes and floods. Customers in areas at high risk of natural hazards such as earthquake, flood and landslip are expected to see average increases in their total premium of $91. Kevin Hughes of the Executive General Manager Consumer at IAG, the company behind AMI and State, says in the past the price people pay for home insurance hasn't fully reflected these differences in risk. This is now changing. And in sport, a good weekend for Wairarapa United football, the men winning 4-1 and the women coming away with a 6-1 victory.